Hello, this is James Aiello, and this is my week 4 video on Project 4. So this week was the final application. It's worth 30% of our grade, so this is the one that you wanted to go all out on. However, this week I had the roughest week ever. This weekend, my wife and my daughter got sick, and my daughter's 2.5, and she's never been sick before, ever, and she got really sick. So this whole entire week, a 2.5-year-old nagging at you who's never been sick, I've hardly had any time to do homework. What an unfortunate time for that to happen. On top of the fact that last week and the week before, I totally missed, I don't know why, but using nav windows. So I had to go learn about nav windows, and I still have a lot of questions about nav windows that I haven't answered yet. And then also my event propagation was wrong last week. So the little time I did have, I went back and I got stuck with basically my windows and how to properly access them. Like in the URL video that we had this week, the example our instructor had a function that opened a window on the app.js file and an event listener. So like with this project, I didn't know, well, can I put a function? Can I put an event listener? Since it's the app.js, typically we just use the app.js to create the first initial to load the window and everything. So I didn't know if I was allowed to do that. And then I got mixed up with the URL trying to connect it to have a page for, have a JS file for each one of these, so that I have to create 4 functions and open up 4 different windows. I just got all tripped up on that with the little time I had and wasn't able to complete the project. But what I do have is, here's my navigation window, and I have 3 different sections: gallery, family data, and then custom window. And when you click on gallery, I got my gallery up, and I have a random image button down here. I don't know if we were supposed to name it that or not. I didn't even have time to check, but you hit the button and you get a random image. I was not able to get it to go through my file system. That's a whole complete different mess that I had. And I wasn't able to get the logic in there for to not display the image twice in a row. So every once in a while it does display the second one. And that's virtually as far as I got. Each page just links back that the event. I got the event propagation right, because if I click on family data, it loads this, and I grab the title up here. But yeah, so it's a shame. I started on which would have been the data page, and I started getting my JSON object all in order and everything, but I couldn't figure out how to open up the third window. So horrible week for me. I hope it's enough to pass, and if not, within the next couple days of playing around with this, I'll have it working anyway. So that was my week. Thank you for watching.